What's up? I was just looking at a testimony that somebody sent me, and I love seeing those things. I want that to be the next you, whether you're trying to lose some weight or whether you just want to tone up and you need some extra push and some get out of the boring gym routine. That's totally fine. We have that all here for you, and we're excited that you're coming out. Okay. One thing I need you to know, and you may be wondering why you need to put your credit card in if you're doing a free week or you sign up for some kind of deal of the day or you got a gift card that somebody gave you. The reason why we need that card is we're really busy and we reserve a spot for you to come out. We only have so many spaces. So if you sign up and you don't show up, there's a no-show fee of $15. Now, one thing I want you to know is when you register on our website, it's going to tell you to start the very next workout. Now, if it says if you're starting on if you're signing up on a Thursday and it's a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, it's going to tell you to come on Friday. If you can't come to the next Monday or 2 weeks after that, just reply back off the welcome email that you get and just tell us when you need to start. The only way you're going to get charged is if you don't show up and if you want to continue with us after you see how awesome our program is. Okay, so don't worry about getting charged. Just that's what we need. It's one of our policies to of registration. We're looking forward to seeing you out there. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you at the next workout.